Breaking now, we are being told that cricketing legends Sachin Tendulkar and Shane Warne are contemplating a new All-Stars Legends T20 Cricket League. This will include former international players. About 28 ex-players are likely to feature in this league. Harini Rana joins us from the Newspit for more details on this. Harini, who are the big names associated with this? And this is distinct from the Rebel League, which the SL Group is planning.
Well, Tina, what we're given to understand, Sachin Tendulkar and Shane Warne have been discussing over this business plan, what pro cricketers have been approached in terms of Brett Lee, Ricky Ponting, Adam Gilchrist, Glenn McGrath, Michael Vaughan, Andrew Flintoff. These are a few of the names, including Jacques Kallis as well from South Africa. What we are being told at this point of time is that contracts have been sent out. It's more of a T20 exhibition tournament that will be Sachin Tendulkar's team versus Shane Warne. They're trying to target the Indian diaspora overseas. The cities that they've finalized right now are those 3 cities in US. We're given to understand is that Chicago is one of the options, and some of the other cities in US are the main targets where this tournament will be played. It'll be an exhibition games of about through the year. It'll be about 3 or 4 games that will be played in different cities, and it's something that they're planning to have it an annual affair. What we're given to understand is that applications will be made to get clearance from the governing bodies, that is the cricketers involved. So Shane Warne from Cricket Australia, Sachin Tendulkar from BCCI, and also a letter will be sent out to the ICC to get an official clearance. Even though none of these cricketers are contractually bound with their cricket boss, they want to be on a safer side because of these reports that have emerged of the Rebel League coming out. And at this point of time, what we're given to understand, there is about 30 days window that has been given to cricketers who've been approached. Most of the cricketers that have been approached are going to be former cricketers. They're going to be offered a sum of about 25,000 a match. It will include around about 10 to 12 games, but this is of course over a period of 42 months.
When you say 25,000, Harini, you're talking in US dollars.
Absolutely, $25,000 US a match, and what we're given to understand is that over a period of 42 months, there would be about 10 to 12 T20 games that will be played. The criteria is very simple: retired cricketers, match fit, who are willing to be out there. The contract clearly states that cricketers will be paid this much sum. That's about approximately figure that we've given to understand is about $25,000 US per match. It's a 42 month long plan that they sort of at this point of time have, but these are all initial stages. Applications have been made to the respective governing bodies to get clearance, but it was Shane Warne who in fact first sort of put out a message on his social networking website way back in January, just before the World Cup, stating that me and Little Master have an announcement to make. We'll make it when the time is right. But yes, at this point of time, we've been given to understand that there is a business plan and a T20, not a league, but obviously a sort of tournament that they're planning. It will be more of exhibition games targeting the Indian diaspora.